Welcome, I'm your instructor, Dr. Toby Brooks. This is Kinesiology 3346. I'll be your instructor for this semester. Pretty excited about this class. This is one of my favorite courses to teach. Chances are if you're taking this class, you're a kinesiology major. And so it's my hope that we can take the science of human anatomy and help you apply it into sport-related skills and physical activity-related movements. So I've done my best to organize the course as crystal clear as possible. If you look on the Blackboard site, you'll see every week has been divided, and the assignments for that particular week are loaded in that folder. Now, this is a synchronous class, which means basically we're going to be going through together as a class. You can't work at your own pace. You kind of can within the week, but you can't for the whole semester. So that will prevent you from deciding, hey, I'm going to do all my discussions ahead of time. It's important that we all kind of work together, and I try to make this as much of a collaborative learning experience as it possibly can, even though it is an online course. So I encourage you to download the syllabus, print it off, take a look at those due dates. The back page of the syllabus lists out all of the assignments. There's really no grace, no excuses for late work. I expect you to get things done on time, and I expect you to do things well. So I'm looking forward to a great semester. A little bit about my background. I'm an athletic trainer and a strength and conditioning coach. I have been working at the professional, collegiate, high school levels for the past close to 20 years. And I am an associate professor in the Masters of Athletic Training program at the Health Sciences Center. So my office is, if you're on main campus, my office is across the street from the main campus there. But more than happy to meet with you in person or via email, via telephone. Looking forward to a great semester with you. If you've got any questions, let me know. Even though this is distance-based, I take this class very seriously, and I want you to have a great experience. So with that said, Brooks signing off.